welcome to another video of Sofie Marie here, and today I'm going to show you how I clean and take care of my buffalo boots. These are my all-time favorites. They are so warm and comfy. I got them from the original brand's webshop. If you want to check out the webshop, I'll put the link down below. And I love wearing them, but I'm so afraid they will get ruined because of the rain and the snow. So let's clean them first, and then we're going to take care of them with a couple of products from Nanex. I really love their products. Last week I received a super cool package from Nanex. They sent me their new products. So these are all vegan products, which I really love. They're all natural, so that's amazing, I think. And this is the new protective spray. I really love the packaging. It's so aesthetically pleasing. It lasts up to 3 to 6 months, just like the other product. But this is just a newer one. So let's take my beloved buffalo shoes outside and start cleaning them. And the reason why I'm doing this outside is because of the spray. It's best to use it outside, I think. So let's go. The first step is to clean your shoe with a brush or a cloth with the product on it. Then you just wipe it off with a damp cloth. The next step is to clean the inside of the shoe to reduce bad odors. Last step is to spray the entire shoe with the dirt product. It's a protective coating, and you can just apply it evenly to a dry, clean surface from a distance of 30 centimeters. I always let it dry for 24 hours to have the best results. That's it for this week's video. I hope you liked it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you're wondering where you can get the Nanex products, I'll put the link of the website down below. And now it's time to take my buffalo shoes for a walk. See you next time. Bye bye.